Yeah. From the heart of Zobadavu, Mendefera. It's time to stand up, baby. They call it the city of 7 hills, but we call it home. Hareg, Hiwet on the beat. Mendefera, green my soul. From the red soil streets to the stories we hold. Quiet town, but the spirit loud. Habenzo by the boo, make the ancestors proud. Mendefera never flashy, always real. Pain made us strong, Hiwet made us heal. From the boo roots to the world we roam. No matter where I go, our day is home. Yeah, born where the mornings move calm and slow. Start the day at Beit Kursi for a salam, everybody know. Fresh air, tea, and that feeling of peace. A town where the love and the respect never cease. Grab a snack at Momona, fast food on the run. Or endageras, gihar pasta, sweetness under the sun. Walk past the Yara and Asmara, the streets got a name. Every corner in the city got a story to claim. Raised with Kabret, elders first in line. Silence speaks volumes and the stars always shine. Ducky the ooh, we move with the grace. No matter where we fly, we don't forget to play. Check the view from far to top, looking down on Tubo. This is the city of the show, but I to flow. Pass by Orota, where the healing hands stay. Oh, the hustle and the buzzer, a daga but right. Dinner at Meref to Hiberki or Mbaba. Strong and solid like Harmaz, the pride of our Abba. Eating masala and the food right off the plate. At Tindaba, Rome and the culture is great. Flicker in the cinema light. History whispered through the stones in the night. Italian shadows still mark the blocks, but the spirit is ours, as solid as a rock. Light 'em up! If you're from Mendefera, you know the vibe. From Bar Mendefera to the vibe in Zara. We're chilling at Dumbay, yeah, we're doing this here. Shout out Harena, shout out to Coral. Meeting at Bartakhala, keep the energy floral. And that Badre in the mix, keeping it real. Mazenaki Michael, you know the deal. Yeah, when the Guayla starts, the whole town moves. What he covered on the mic, he's got the grooves on. They don't stop doing it on the stage. Write him in the Federal story on a brand new page. From schoolyard dreams to those diaspora flights, we still carry Ati in our lonely nights. When the world feels heavy and the mind feels lost, I remember the town that taught me the cost of the gifty, of the brie, of holding your ground, of staying solid when there's no one around. This isn't nostalgia, this is my identity. That Bubawi soul is the legacy of me. Yeah, Mendefera, from the south to the north, east to the west. So by the Buba, always the best. Adi wagri Mendefera, forever. Forever. Yeah, from the heart of Zobadu, Adi wagri Mendefera. It's time to stand up, page. They call it the city of 7 hills, but we call it home. Hareg, Hiwet on the beat. Mendefera, Adi walking my soul. From the red soil streets to the stories we hold. Quiet town, but the spirit loud. Happens over the boo, make the ancestors proud. Mendefera, never flashy, always real. Pain made us strong, Hiwet made us heal. From double roots to the world we roam. No matter where I go, our day is home. Born where the mornings move calm and slow. Start the day at Beit Kursi for the salam. Everybody know fresh air, tea, and that feeling of peace. A town where the love and the respect never cease. Grab a snack at Momona, fast food on the run. Or endageras, gihar pasta, sweetness under the sun. Walk past Tiara and Asmara, the streets got a name. Every corner in the city got a story to claim. Raised with Kabret, elders first in line. Silence speaks volumes and the stars always shine. We move with a grace. No matter where we fly, we don't forget to play. Check the view from Forto, looking down on Tubo. This is the city of the show. Pool float, pass by Orota, where the healing hands stay. Or the hustle and the buzz of a daga but right. Dinner at Meref to Hiberki or Mbaba. Strong and solid like Harmaz, the pride of our Abba. Eating masala and the food right off the plate. At Tindaba, Rome and the culture is great. Flicker in the cinema light. History whispered through the stones in the night. Italian shadows still mark the blocks, but the spirit is ours, as solid as rocks. Line 'em up! If you're from Mendefera, you know the vibe. From bottom Mendefera to the vibe in Zara. We're chillin' at Denver, yeah, we're doing it, see it. Shout out Hareg, shout out to Kora. Meeting at Bartakhala, keep the energy flora. And that bagger in the mix, keeping it real, Mezanaki Markel, you know the deal. When the Guayla starts, the whole town moves. What he could be there on the mic, he's got the grooves. I don't stop doing it on the stage, writing Mendefera story on a brand new page. From schoolyard dreams to those diaspora flights, we still carry Hiwet in our lonely nights. When the world feels heavy and the mind feels lost, I remember the town that taught me the cost of dignity, of kubri, of holding the ground, of staying solid when there's no one around. This isn't nostalgia, this is my identity. Double Bowie's soul, it's the legacy in me. Yeah, Mendefera, from the south to the north, east to the west. So by the boo, always the best. Hiwet, Mendefera, forever.